Welcome in Basic English Grammar, and today's topic is preposition. Yesterday we saw preposition of first part. We saw some preposition. Then the following preposition requires special notice. The preposition indicating relation of time, and today we have preposition indicating relation of place or preposition. First of all, we see the definition. What is a preposition? The preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate place, direction and source. इस preposition ऐसा वर्ड है कि जो पहले noun और pronoun के पहले आता है and indicate the place, direction and source, etc. It is called preposition. The following preposition requires special notes. The second one is the preposition indicating relation of place or preposition. The first one is at. At हम कहाँ use करते हैं in the sentence? At is used with the names of small villages and towns. Means at कहाँ use करते हैं? ये जो name है जो छोटे villages है और towns है इनके सामने हम at use करते हैं. Take example. She was born at Alibag. She was born at Alibag. Then the second one, in is used with the names of big cities and state. In कहाँ use करेंगे हम? The names of big cities and state के सामने हम in use करेंगे. जैसे take example, we live in India. India is a country, है ना? The big cities. India is a big city, country. That's why India के सामने हमने क्या use किया? In. That's why in is a preposition in this sentence. Okay. Next is on. We denotes rest on the surface of something. We denotes rest on the surface of something. Means on कहाँ denotes करते हैं कि surface of the some यानी किसी के ऊपर है. जैसे example लो, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. यहाँ पे on क्या है? book कहाँ है? टेबल पर है. उसके surface शो किया है. यानी book is on the table. यानी टेबल के ऊपर क्या रखे हैं? book. So on is the preposition in this sentence. Look here, upon. When we use upon in the sentence, upon denotes motion. Take example. यहाँ पे देखो the cat jump upon the table. देखो उसका motion यानी उसको क्या करते हैं हम denotes करते हैं upon. The cat will jump on the table बोलेंगे क्या? No. Upon the table motion से कहा है इसीलिए the cat jump upon the table. Okay. Next is into. Next is into. Into denotes motion towards the inside of something. Into denotes motion towards the inside of something. Means into motion को denotes करते हैं और जो the inside of something. Take example, the fox into the well. The fox into the well. यहाँ पे देखो into ये क्या हो गया है? preposition हो गया है यानी inside यानी well के inside यानी show किया है. That's why into the well means into is preposition in this sentence. Then between. Between is a preposition. Where we use between in sentence? Between is used for two person, place, thing. Between is used for two person, place, thing. Okay, example, the two brothers quarrel between themselves. The two brothers quarrel between themselves. यानी दो भाई लोग के बीच में यानी दोनों. यानी देखो between is used two person. दोनों person के, दो place के, दो चीज के बीच में हम between use करते हैं. Among. Among कहाँ use करेंगे? Where we use among in sentence? Among is used for more than two person. More than two person. Place, thing. Okay. The three brothers quarrel among themselves. इसको भी ऐसे बोलेंगे कि three brothers. यानी यहाँ पे two brother between और दो से भी ज्यादा रहे यानी three brothers है इसलिए among उनके बीच में among themselves. Till till is a preposition. Where we use till in the sentence? Till is used for time. टाइम के लिए हम till यूज करते हैं. अभी देखो एग्जाम्पल, he slept till 8 o'clock, है ना. he slept till 8 o'clock, यानी 8 o'clock तक वो क्या सोई रही है ना. तो that's why till is preposition in this sentence. Then use by. By is the preposition. By, where we use by in the sentence? By denotes the agent. By denotes the agent. Come and sit by me. Come and, example, come and sit by me. यहाँ पे me agent हो गया है उसके द्वारा, इसीलिए by यानी यहाँ पे यूज करें. by क्या होगा यहाँ पे? preposition. Let's see once again. Preposition. What is the definition of preposition? Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate place, direction and source, etc. Okay. Then preposition indicating relation of place and preposition. At, where we use at in the sentence? At is used with the names of small villages and town. Small villages or town के पहले at use करते. Take example. She was born at Alibag. Then यहाँ पे at is a preposition in this sentence. In, where we use in the sentence? In is used with the names of big cities and state. Big cities or state के before हम use करते हैं. We live in India. India is a big city. Okay, big city, big country. Sorry, India is a big country. Okay, we live in India. India, in is the preposition in this sentence. On denotes rest on the surface of the something. On हम यानी surface of the something. Take example, the book is on the table. On is the preposition in this sentence. Here look upon, where we use upon in the sentence? Upon denotes motion. The cat jumped upon the table. On the table बोलेंगे? No, upon the table, because upon denotes motion. That's why the cat jumped upon the table. Into denotes motion towards the inside of something. Okay, into the well. Take example, the fox into the well. And if into the well, यहाँ पे inside the well. That's why into is a preposition. Now between, where we use between in sentence? Between is used for two person, place, thing. Okay, example, the two brothers require between themselves. दो ब्रदर के बीच में क्या हो रहा है? क्वारल हो रहा है. यानी टू पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बीच में हम बिटवीन यूज करते हैं. फिर अमंग कहाँ यूज करते हैं? देखो कि मोर देन टू पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग. That's there we use among. Take example, the three brothers quarrel among themselves. यहाँ पे देखो two brother थे, इसलिए यहाँ पे between किया. यहाँ पे three brothers है, यहाँ पे among themselves. Till is used for time. Okay. फिर he slept till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock यहाँ पे टाइम शो कर रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे till हमने यूज किया. Okay. By denote, by, where we use by in the sentence? By is the by denotes the agent. That's take example, come and sit by me. Me is the agent. Okay, that's why. And before me क्या आता है? By. तो by is the preposition. Okay, thank you.